Are you planning to move in or out of Crown Point, Indiana? With its rich history, beautiful parks, and vibrant community, it's no wonder so many are choosing to call Crown Point home. But when it comes to moving, we know it can be overwhelming. Today, let's explore affordable and cheap moving services in Crown Point and how 3 movers can make your relocation stress-free. Crown Point, located just southeast of Chicago, is known for its charming historic architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and convenient access to the big city. Let's face it, moving can be a real challenge. There's a lot to organize and it can get stressful, especially when it feels like everything needs to happen at once. But here's the good news, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Hiring professional movers like 3 movers means you can leave the heavy lifting to the experts while you focus on the more important aspects of your move. We're here to take the stress off your shoulders. At 3 Movers, we pride ourselves on offering affordable moving services in Crown Point, Indiana. Whether you're moving locally or long distance, we have a variety of moving packages that cater to every need and budget. And the best part, our services start as low as $30–40 per hour for local moves. Planning a long-distance move, a move that's over 50 miles away or even across state lines, can seem daunting. But with 3 Movers, your long-distance relocation will be smooth and stress-free. Our team handles every detail, from securing your items to ensuring your move stays on track. Plus, we offer full insurance to keep your belongings safe on the journey. 3 Movers offers a wide range of moving services to fit all your needs. Whether it's residential, commercial, or even international moves, we have a solution for every situation. Here's a quick look at the services we offer. Ready to make your move? Let us help you get started today. With our free estimates, we'll provide an affordable, transparent quote so you know exactly what to expect. Just give us a call or visit our website to get your free moving quote.